In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication, or 2FA, in Bitwarden. Adding this extra layer of security will help ensure that your sensitive data is even more protected. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Bitwarden's official website. Bitwarden is known as one of the best password managers out there, suitable for both personal and business use. It's reliable and ensures your passwords and sensitive information are kept secure. Once you're on their site, the next step is to log in. Locate the Login button at the top of the page and click it. You'll then be prompted to enter your Bitwarden credentials. Be sure that your password is strong and distinct from other accounts to maximize your security. After logging in successfully, you'll immediately be directed to your Bitwarden vault. This is where all your stored passwords and secure notes are kept. From here, you need to navigate to the settings. It's usually situated on the left-hand side of your vault screen. Clicking on it will open a list of options you can tweak to personalize your security settings. Next, within the Settings menu, seek out the Security option. Click on this and you'll see various security preferences you can manage. The section we're focusing on today is two-step login. So go ahead and select that. Two-step login is where we start adding our extra layer of security. Find and click on Authenticator app from the list of methods available. This option requires you to use an external authenticator app, such as Google Authenticator or Authy. These apps generate time-sensitive codes that you'll need to access your vault alongside your password. If you don't have an Authenticator app already installed on your mobile device, you should do so before proceeding further. Once you have it, scan the QR code presented on the Bitwarden screen using your Authenticator app. This will link your Bitwarden account to the app, allowing it to generate codes specifically for your logins. Finally, input the code displayed on your Authenticator app into the appropriate field on your Bitwarden account setup page. This step is crucial for activating 2FA, so make sure the code is entered before it refreshes. Hit Enable once you've typed in the code, and just like that, you've substantially increased your account's defenses with two-factor authentication. Remember, every time you log into Bitwarden, you'll need your password and the time-sensitive code from your Authenticator app, significantly boosting your account's security. Congratulations on making your online world just a bit safer. If you have any questions or need more assistance, feel free to explore Bitwarden's support resources or reach out to their customer service. Thanks for watching, and stay secure.